You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly. A martial art from India. If you want to learn more Indian vocabulary and related words and names, stay tuned. We've got many more that I'll link to at the end of this video. Kalaripayattu, the Indian pronunciation. Kalaripayattu. The U at the end is not really pronounced. Kalaripayattu. Kalaripayattu. So in English you can say it as Kalaripayattu, India's oldest martial arts, maybe the world's. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.